In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Microsoft Word to a precise 1" by 1" dimension. This is a fairly simple process, but if you're new to using Microsoft Word or resizing images, it's always helpful to have a guide. So let's dive right in. To start with, you'll need to have your Microsoft Word document open. If you haven't already saved an image to your document, go ahead and do that first. For those familiar with Word, you'll know you can do this by clicking on Insert in the menu bar, then selecting Pictures to add an image from your device. Once your image is in the document, the next step is to click on the image itself. When you do this, you'll notice that a new tab pops up in the ribbon at the top of the screen called Picture Format. The Picture Format tab is a fantastic tool that gives you a variety of options to tweak your image. For the task at hand, resizing our image to exactly 1" by 1", we're going to focus on the size group, which you'll see towards the right end of the ribbon. Here you'll find two fields, height and width. These fields allow you to adjust the dimensions of your image. Let's get specific. You'll want to set both the height and width of your image to precisely 1". Simply click into the height box, type the number 1, and make sure it's followed by in to indicate inches if that's not already there. Do the same for the width. After you input these numbers, just press Enter on your keyboard and your image will be resized to a perfect square with 1" sides. You might notice your image looks much smaller than before. That's entirely expected, especially if your original image was larger. This resizing can be particularly useful when creating things like business cards, ID badges, or any other document where space is limited. And you need precise control over image sizes. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've resized your image down to precise dimensions. While it may seem straightforward once you know how, mastering these seemingly small skills in Microsoft Word can really save you time and make your documents look more professional. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it useful and that you feel more confident working with images in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to comment below. Until next time, happy editing and take care.